A story born 100 years ago about life, leadership, and legacy, waiting to be retold.
Si Marcos talaga really made a mark in who we are in international politics. No?
But if you compare what he did for our country during the time he was president, no one should ever be sorry that we had Marcos for a president.
Kung ikumpara mo yung good points ni Marcos at saka yung good points ng ibang naging presidente natin mula sa kalingkingan yung iba.
Since the Marcos administration, I don't know, have you really got it off the ground?
Only history can rightfully judge President Marcos.
This is history. This is the story